Buenos dias, Dawson. Holy moly. It's 9 degrees outside. Tide's pumping right now in the hot tub. Morning, y'all. It is 9 degrees outside, and there's 14 inches of brand new snow on the ground. Boy Dawson and I getting our morning healing session on. What's the plan today?
I don't know. After this, I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna suit up. And I'm gonna hit the mountain again.
Dawson doesn't take days off.
No days off.
All right, so I'm too frothed out right now. Truck was so buried in the snow. That was heavy. Just dug that out. Ben Gravy just hit me up. He's in Connecticut with the surf report saying that the sound, he claims that it's breaking and that I should get down there immediately. So change the plans. I'm loading the truck up with the surf gear and we're heading to Connecticut. Hopefully we score. Oh my gosh. Oh, like a glove. All right, there's snow everywhere. We're off, heading to Connecticut. Hopefully score some waves. So my mom was up yesterday for her birthday and the day before, and she's staying tomorrow as well, but luckily my mom's a G, so she understands the dream, but she's here in Wilmington. I just gotta stop by and say peace out to her real quick.
Oh, God.
Saw your truck, I was trying to say bye.
Okay.
All right, I love you. Come.
Bye.
Alright, what's up guys? It is 2:20 in the afternoon. I am 5 minutes away, hoping that we see a wave that we can surf. I'm super stoked right now. I've never surfed in Connecticut, grew up my whole life here, so this is huge for me. So cold, so windy. Woo. Here we are. Alright, so there's waves. Ooh, this is freezing. Oh, this guy's a legend. He's letting me through. Thanks, bud. Alright, so Gravy just bounced. He's been here for the past 2 hours. Said he scored some kegs earlier. Just talked to him. He pointed me in the right direction of where he surfed, and I'm headed there right now. It's gonna be a solo session. It's gonna be freezing cold, but I'm on it, dude. Oh, what? What? Oh my God. What? Look at this. That cannot be Connecticut, bro. Oh! It's the coldest I've ever been in my life. The wind is howling, taking the foam board and flying it across the parking lot. I can't feel my fingers already. Haven't even been in the water. Just heating up in the truck before we go out. I don't know, there's rocks everywhere. I've never surfed here before. I'm by myself. No one knows where I am, but it's for the dream, right? You gotta send it. Holy crap, no way. I just surfed Connecticut, my home state, for the first time ever. I don't even know what to say. Huge shout out to Ben Gravy. You're a legend, dude. I hope you scored as hard as I did. Sucks we couldn't link up, but hey, it is what it is. We'll be doing some more surfing together this winter. I'm gonna go get some food. I still haven't eaten yet today. Soaking so hard. I'm headed back up to Mount Snow right now. Another 2.5, 3 hour drive to finish the night out.
Dude, there she is!
It's literally been 7 months since I've driven this car. Besides the fact that it reeks like an ungodly amount of mold in there, I don't even know how the freaking WAVESTORM's gonna fit in, or these surfboards. Everything's packed and in it. Now we just gotta get it started. She's alive! This guy's a legend! What? Look at her, listen to her run.
Alright, hon, love you.
Thanks for letting me set up your tree.
Alright, peace.
Peace out. Love you guys.
See ya!
That's that second fam right there. All right, the car is started. Praying that it makes it to Vermont. What? I can't believe I'm in the Subi. I can't shut it off because it'll die. All right, so close. Your boy. Dude, so much different than when we started in the jacuzzi this morning. Alright, made it to Vermont. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Prospector opening day.